In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email tasks into ClickUp. This workflow is perfect when important conversations start in your inbox but need to live with the work. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a task's unique email address and forward messages straight into it, keeping everything organized and searchable in one place. Start by opening your browser and heading to ClickUp, then sign in. Once you're in, navigate to the space where your work lives. Spaces are the top-level containers for your teams and projects, so choose the one that holds the task you want to receive emails. From there, open the board or list where your tasks are displayed. Either view works, use whichever makes it easiest for you to spot the task you're after. When you see the task, click its name to open the Task Details panel. This is where you'll find comments, activity, attachments, and all the options related to that task. Inside the task, look for the three-dot icon, usually in the upper corner of the task window. Click that to open the task's More Options menu. In this menu, select the option labeled Send Email to Task. ClickUp will generate a unique email address specifically for this task. Think of it like a direct inbox for the task itself. You'll now see that generated email address on screen. Copy it. This is the address you'll use to forward any email conversation you want stored in this task. Head to your email client, compose or forward a message, and paste that address into the To field. When you send it, the message content, along with any attachments, will be added inside the task's email activity or comment thread, depending on your setup. It's a simple way to capture context without manual copy and paste. A few helpful tips to keep it smooth. Use clear, descriptive subject lines so it's easy to scan the thread later. If you frequently email into the same task, add the task's email address to your contacts for quick access. Consider pasting a short link to the task at the top of your original email before forwarding, so anyone looped in can jump straight to the work item in ClickUp. And if you don't see the Send Email to Task option, you may need the right permissions or features enabled by an admin. That's it. Go to your space, open the border list, select a task, open the three-dot menu, choose Send Email to Task, and copy the generated address. With this in place, you can keep your email threads and files neatly where the work happens.